Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be behind the barn cleaning up the mess that's back here. That was one of our things on our to-do list before we sell, and hopefully we can get it knocked off the list today. This is what it looks like right now. You can see it's all brush. We got wood, we got fence posts, we got railroad ties, and we got debris in the fire pit. We want to clean this up and make it nice and open.
Yeah, it doesn't look good right now.
We're going to start with these fence posts that I don't know if they're going to come out or not because they're like in the roots of these big old trees. But we'll see what we can do. Luckily we got our root slayer. We don't have a T-post puller. We would probably get one in the future, but we don't feel like investing in one now.
So we'll just do it manually.
The first post is a no-go. Look at this root. It's growing right around the metal.
Yeah, and also over here on the spike thing.
This is the part of the fence. And there's a root that's growing right around the whole spade part of the post. It's fully
in there.
In the root. It grew around it. So we're going to get a reciprocating saw and cut it out, either the root or the post. We'll figure it out.
There it is, in the root. It's like fully around it.
Mm-hmm. And even a bigger one down here.
Yeah. We'll just cover this up with dirt and nobody will ever know.
It'll be fine. That one's not even far at all. Let me see how stuck it is.
It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we go. That one wasn't in too deep.
Nope.
I don't think we're going to be able to get these dug because they're right next to the tree.
Yeah.
But we can cut them off. Looks better here. No posts. Cool.
So now we got to tackle the brush. And I'm going to be pulling out my DeWalt weed trimmer. You guys don't see this often on the channel. In fact, I've only shown it
like once.
Maybe, yeah, a tiny bit. And a big part of that is because it hasn't been working right. We bought this along with our DeWalt chainsaw. The chainsaw has been awesome. This trimmer, I used it a few times and it was working really good, and then the motor started losing power, and you'd pull the trigger, it'd be high speed, then it'd get low speed, and you'd have to let go and pull the trigger again, and sometimes it just got so weak I couldn't even cut with it. So I put it up, but I haven't been using it, and today I'm going to pull it back out and see if it works. Basically what I end up doing is cleaning out the motor here. It did have a lot of stuff built up in it. Maybe the motor was overheating. I'm not sure, but that's the reason I don't use it, because it didn't hold up.
Yeah.
But now that it's all cleaned out, I'm gonna give it another shot and see if it handles this brush. So I ran that pretty hard for a pretty consistent time, and we got a lot cleared. It ran a lot better today. I didn't have any problems with it. I guess my overall impression on it is that sometimes it feels a little weak. It doesn't do well in the woody plants. You know, it's a weed trimmer, it's not really for trees. And with the head that I'm using, it would get wrapped up in the grass rather than cutting it, but I think that's the head that I'm using rather than the trimmer itself. But it worked perfectly, so I don't know if that's just coincidence or cleaning out the motor really helped.
Probably cleaning it out helped.
Yeah. The motor has a bunch of vents here and it has a screen in there, and it was packed full of grass. So cleaning it out allows the heat. It probably was overheating before. So I'm iffy on it. I don't know. It's okay.
Yeah.
If you were just doing yard work, like around the house, trimming up around the trees and house.
Oh yeah, it'd be perfect. But we're doing like heavy duty stuff.
Yeah.
So here's what it looks like now. It's opening up. You can see all the fence posts we have to take out still. And we have the railroad ties still that we have to take out. Right there. They're all along here. Doug, did you see the size of this plant over here?
Yeah?
Look at this plant. It's like huge. That grew so big. Just from one season. I'm going to use the reciprocating saw to cut this. All that in just a few months, really. Wow. Look at that plant.
What is it?
I don't know what these are. It's huge. Wow.
No spade on it at all.
That's weird. And it was that hard to pull up.
Crazy hard.
Burying the bone.
Yeah. I think I broke it.
That's one way to get it out. It broke.
Yeah. concerned. Okay.
Good. Two left.
Well, there it is. We accomplished it and we're both extremely worn out right now. That was actually a lot of work.
Yeah.
Just everything was tiresome. The wood was heavy. The
Getting
posts
all those posts out.
were stubborn.
Carrying the wood over.
Yep. The brush. Look at it though. Let's take a look. Way better.
Yeah. Perfect.
I'm gonna keep cutting that stump lower when the battery charges. And we're gonna try to knock this hill down so it's more of a slope and not an edge.
Yep. Big difference.
Good job.
Yeah. Now it's time to eat.
So once again, check off the list. The other day we gave you guys a little quick to-do list at the end of the video, and this was one of those things that we had to do before it sells. It's clean behind the barn. Check. That
I'm
feels
glad it's over.
good. I actually have a real to-do list on my Kindle, so I'm gonna check it off the list. Chickens are doing awesome. We still got an escape artist who gets to get out.
They can slip through the chain link fence, the little ones.
Yeah. Everybody's doing good. We got a lot done. We feel good. So we'll have another video coming soon, but until then, take care.
Bye.
What?
Whoa.
What in the world was that?
I should have left the camera over there. I don't know if I got that. Right?
I wasn't expecting that to happen.
No.